Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday and tonight we're going to do our BKK live. I wanted to have a very sinful breakfast this morning, but I'm so lazy to go out. I miss eating my economical bihun or my wanton mee. So this morning is going to be cereals, oats, protein powder, milk, and a slice of banana. I having a little bit of having some personal time. I'm having some manly personal time today, so I think I'm gonna do some exercises and all. Just gonna enjoy the day and taking it slow. And a cup of coffee, of course. I need days to be alone to rest and recharge because I'm actually I know it's gonna sound like a surprise to everybody, but I'm an extreme introvert. Like really extreme introvert. I need time alone to recharge for sure. So breakfast time, lunchtime, super sinful, but it's okay because I'm so hungry and I'll be working out later. Sausage with pasta, and wow, this one's like shiok, man, all the carbs, which is good because I'm gonna do a super huge workout later. Chest, bicep, tricep, if I got strength, shoulder, plus swimming or 20 laps. Yeah, we can play chess later. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy this lunch.
Do chess and...
This one definitely must eat a slimming drink. Yeah, we do chess and we play chess.
What's the most biggest thing in the world? What's the most biggest insect?
I don't know. And this over here will be my 6th session of the slimming machine treatment. Let's begin. The time is 7 p.m.